Other news this evening, new data from the University of Washington shows immigration arrests in the Pacific Northwest surged dramatically at the end of last year.
Sharing you with our Seattle station explains what the numbers show.
New data from the University of Washington shows immigration arrests across the Northwest stayed relatively steady for years before surging sharply in late 2025. Researchers like Phil Neff analyzed federal immigration arrest forms and found the number of arrests in the region more than doubled in just a few months.
And this data was really surprising.
Researchers built this data set using I-2113 arrest forms. Those are documents federal agents file whenever they detain someone for an immigration violation. Each form details which agencies were involved and where and when the arrest happened. From that data, Yakima recorded the highest rate in 2025 with 180 arrests per 100,000 residents. King County's rate was far lower, about 40 arrests per 100,000.
People who I talked to were not surprised. They've been monitoring this and responding to this for the last 9 months now.
The arrest form also shows how the feds identified the person they were targeting. This one shows Seattle ERO conducted a registration query on a 2013 Ford F-150 bearing a Washington state license plate number. Neff says feds obtained that info via the Washington Department of Licensing.
Here's that a lot of these arrests involve dragnet surveillance of communities with immigration agents scanning people's license plates and accessing state Department of Licensing data.
Neff says he believes the arrest numbers are actually higher because rearrests and arrests at appointments may not necessarily be counted.
So this might be only a fraction of the true amount, maybe around 80% is our best guess.
That was Sharon Yu reporting. All right.